What's up, folks? TJ Handyman here. We're at our latest job site, and so what we're here to do is actually here to I'll show you in detail more about what's going on with this floor, but essentially the floor has gotten wood rot, pretty brittle and pretty rotten, so it's all falling apart here. So we're gonna remove the whole thing, and we're gonna see. The idea is we want to level this floor. I'm thinking of pouring a slab over here and tiling on top of that. That's the recommended course that we have, and that's what we've quoted the client for. But let's hopefully, after we uncover everything, that's going to be possible. Okay, so here's an angle of the floor that's already been. This floor that I'm standing on right now, this is actually, they poured a slab here and then they tile on top of that, and that's what I'm looking to continue. And I didn't do this job, this was before I was here. But what's great about this is it looks like they've left a complete tile right here. And so if we remove this threshold, we should be able to continue going that way. And we just got to make sure that we pour our slab so that it will allow the tiles to go straight. And that's kind of the idea here. So, I know a lot of people are excited when it comes to demo, about knocking stuff down and breaking it up. And being excited is cool, but as long as you take the proper precautions as well, because in this demo, it's actually pretty dangerous in the sense you might not notice it immediately, but here you have a tile they have tiles in here. This is not ceramic tiles, but vinyl tiles. It's been here for a while. And a lot of the products that they used back in the days was not necessarily safe for human, and now you're exposing this stuff and you bring it up to the surface. I don't know if this is from the 80s or earlier than that, the 50s. It looked like it could be from the 50s. And so those tiles, back in the days, they had a lot of materials that was not safe for humans to actually work with and breathe in. So as you're doing this demo on these older homes, in general, make sure you're wearing eye protection. Make sure you're using a dust mask. And that's the minimal you could do. And also, the clothes that you're wearing, after you're done with your demo, put them in the wash. In fact, it would be nice if you can put all your clothes in the wash before you even go to meet your family. So this way you're not bringing in any contaminants into your household after you're done with the demo.
Alright folks, so I got the demo of the floor done. We're getting it ready for the cement. So tomorrow I'm going to come in, I'm going to prep the floor, I'm going to level it out, take some measurements and see how much we need to fill it, order the products, and then pretty much the following day go ahead and just pour the cement. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, please like, subscribe. Your support does mean a lot to me. It means a lot to the channel as well. Thank you.